Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today it's going to be cooking with Sarah and Quincy. If you don't know, me and Quincy are disasters in the kitchen, so we're just gonna take you guys along with us.
Swedish yum yum muffins.
Swedish yum yum muffins. So yeah. And then a cookbook that we found at a gift shop. All-purpose flour, check. Milk and vinegar. We have milk. I don't know about vinegar.
Your mommy said we did.
Okay. Mom, where is the vinegar?
Two cups of them.
Yum yum muffins. Swedish? What is sweet? That's where they got those Swedish meatballs at the IKEA. Is this an IKEA recipe? Because you got to put it all together. They give you the ingredients and you got to put it together just like the furniture.
I think so.
Okay.
Oh, it smells like cinnamon on steroids.
Such a cute.
I'd be scared if I were a boy. So,
Trying to act all cool from the other camera.
my little camera that only my grandmother watches. Yeah, I want to act real cool in front of her.
Excuse me.
Gosh, Quincy. Excuse me.
You like,
Holy moly.
wait, and then add this. Here.
Oh, wait.
Here.
You get one job, woman. One job. I get the others.
There.
How nice.
I almost forgot to add that.
This almost looks like sludge, but we're gonna mix it. See what happens.
Cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
She's got the
Is there another one of these?
maybe. She's got the pie tin. What in the world? She's got the muffin tin thing.
Sarah.
What?
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you,
You doing it right.
I love you, 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 I know I dream of you, and I help it if I dream of you every night. Dream of you, and I help it if I dream of you every night. Dream of you, and I help it if I dream of you, dream of you.
Yes, yes.
Holy moly, Quincy!
You took that away. You got stuck.
Stabbed me. Guys so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.